Bonjour French 1. This video is going to walk you through all of that new vocabulary for your classes at school. Just like usual, the left-hand side of your notes page are all masculine words. So I didn't bother putting articles like le or on in front of these because I'm telling you that the left-hand side is all masculine. The ones that are tabbed over towards the right-hand side are all feminine words. So again, you didn't have me put a la or an une in front of those words. You just know that they're feminine. And then the only other thing I wanted to remind you of is you do not have to write in the pronunciation words in the parentheses to get full credit for your notes. The bare minimum you need to do is at least write down those French words so that you have those in your possession. If you would like to add on the pronunciation in parentheses, you can, but that is your choice. Finally, make sure that you're repeating after me in the pauses provided. I tried to separate these classes by topic area. So the first kind of section of words here are all the words for your foreign language classes. So we're going to start with the word for German, which is allemand. The word for French class, which is français. The word for Spanish class, which is espagnol. And the word for English class, which is anglais. Then we moved on to some of the, elective kinds of classes, including art class, which is art plastique. Music class, which is éducation musicale. PE class, which has a very long name, éducation physique et sportive. Also known by its abbreviation EPS. And finally, any computer class where you're working on computer graphics or typing or anything like that would be a computer science class of sorts, and that would be called informatique. A few other words for some of your core subjects, including math class. Now I know that you'd like to get specific about whether you're in geometry or algebra and things like that, and we'll learn it down the line, but for now the simple word, the overall arching topic of math class is mathématiques. Biology class is biologie. Chemistry class is chimie. Physics class is physique. Geography class, where you study maps of the world, is géographie. And in general, any history class that you may have is the word histoire. You don't hear the H pronounced at the beginning of that word. Last little bit here are some kind of side things that sometimes come up in classes. They're not official classes at school, but they're things that come up in relationship to those classes when you discuss them, including the word for homework, which is devoir. The word for a test, which is examen. The word for school subjects in general, like if somebody asks you what your favorite subject is matière. Kind of looks like the word material, like the material that you cover at school. The word for a break at school, whether it's your 5-minute passing period or a time of day when in France they get longer breaks sometimes, it's récréation. And the word for the dismissal, as in at the end of the day when you get out, is the word sortie. Now one more thing I just realized that I should probably go ahead and add is the word for lunch. So bear with me here as I go ahead and type this on the fly. But the word for lunch, you'll need to go ahead and add it to your list here. It should have been on here, and I can't believe I forgot it. It's usually everybody's favorite class of the day, right? Déjeuner is your word for lunch. So one more time, just to give you a chance to repeat, the French word for lunch is déjeuner.